Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Richard Ransby.
We've just arrived in Liverpool. We'll be meeting our guide Neil from Tours by Local for the Beatles walking tour. We'll be meeting him at the dock in just a few minutes.
And where we are today, we've had our ups and downs in this city, but I'll tell you all about it in Liverpool. And a lot of the crew in the boiler room and the engine rooms were Liverpool men.
Our group of baby boomers was excited to relive memories of the 60s and hear the inside story of the Beatles.
The Beatles were appearing on the balcony of the town hall, 1964.
Neil and his brother had come to see the Beatles on the balcony of Town Hall. Neil was a young child and sat on the shoulders of his older brother. Neil quizzed us about the name Eleanor Rigby. We all thought that the name was inspired by a gravestone. But Neil explained that the character Paul McCartney sings about name was actually Daisy Hawkins. He didn't think the name sounded quite right, so he came up with Eleanor and the name Rigby from a sign on a shop. Brian Epstein is said to have put the Beatles' style and appearance together. He's the one that introduced their distinctive suits and mop-top hairstyles. Matthew Street was historically known as the center of Liverpool's wholesale fruit and vegetable market, but today it is best known as the location of several pubs formerly frequented by the Beatles, including the famous Cavern Club. We headed underground to check out the Cavern Club.
You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Hey Jude.
Outside the Cavern Club is the John Lennon statue and the Wall of Fame, recognizing every Liverpool musical act that ever had a #1 hit. Acts from Liverpool have produced more #1 singles than any other city in the world. We passed the statue of another famous musician from Liverpool, Billy Fury, an early star of rock and roll. Then we toured the Beatles Story Museum, a treasure trove of Beatles memorabilia. Thank you, Neil, for taking us down memory lane on the Beatles walking tour.